Hi, I'm Abhishek Balaji, founder, coach of 24/7 Fitness Studio. Few people think using free weights is hardcore, and few people think using machines are smart. Now let's see how free weight works and how machine works with a simple workout, side raise. What is the most common mistake people do when they are doing dumbbell side raise? They start their range of motion here, but dumbbells is giving no pressure to your shoulders in this range because dumbbell is a solid substance. When you drop it down, it falls straight down. So dumbbells always works in the angle of 90 degrees. You get the maximum tension on your shoulders when you are like this, when the dumbbells is parallel to the ground. So once you keep going down, the pressure in your shoulders is automatically going to reduce. So when you are using a dumbbell, start your range of motion here. If your goal is hypertrophy, then you have to make sure your muscle is under constant tension. If you are just going to bring the dumbbells here, then your muscles are going to rest. So always make sure you start from here and go up. Make sure there is constant tension on your muscle. Okay, now how do we train this range? We cannot live this range untrained. Now let's see how cables come into play. We saw what range of motion we can train with free weights. That is, it starts from here and goes up till this. So to train this area, we have to get the pressure from sides. That's why we are using cables. Now the pressure is coming from sides. I'm trying to push it this way. Now the load is pulling me back. So to do this movement, I'm going to use my shoulders. What I'm trying to tell is, we have to pick a tool which suits best for our workout that day. I'm not trying to tell you that machines are better than free weights. All I'm trying to tell you is, we have to pick tools based on our workout that day so that we get the maximum output. Let's summarize. First, free weights. Works best at angle of 90 degrees, helps you developing neuromuscular coordination. Machines and cables gives you variety of angle to train and gives you a stable movement. And our responsibility is to pick the best tool which suits our workout that day. If you are liking the tips which I am giving you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Get transformed.